Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for watching this video. So today's video is going to be a grocery haul. You know, I love doing grocery hauls. The first step into transitioning, you gotta know what foods to get. So you know, grocery hauls are very important. Each one is different, so please don't miss out on one. If you haven't seen the rest of them, I'm gonna leave a link right here for my latest grocery haul. So I'm heading home right now. Got some walnuts. As soon as I get in the crib, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I want to show these right here. I know I got these last time, but these chips right here are good. So almost to the crib. I want to not a food, but just to let y'all know that I definitely take this serious. Learning, educating myself about nutrition. Nutrition is important. So that was one thing that I picked up on my grocery haul. So continue watching this, because when I get in the crib, I'll show y'all everything I got. Like I told y'all guys, every grocery haul is a little bit different. You know, you might see some items that are similar to a previous grocery haul, but yeah. But like I was saying, every grocery haul I had different items. And if you are like interested in what I use a particular item for, you know, just please comment down below asking, hey, what do you use such and such item for? I can either, you know, comment, or I can just make a whole video. I had Tina make a whole video and showing y'all what we use a particular like ingredient for. So today I went to Mom Organics and I went to Whole Foods. So I'm gonna take everything out the bag and show you what I got. Let's get to it. So by now, if y'all watch a lot of my grocery hauls, y'all should know what type of water I love by now. You already know about that Mountain Valley. How many people got that right? But Mountain Valley water, I like my water. Got that Kamut cereal for all my alkaline people. Got that alkaline cereal right there for you. Got that at Whole Foods. Again, similar brand, Arrowhead, Spelt. My alkaline people. Got that Spelt cereal. Oyster mushrooms. Can't go with mushrooms, right? Get those oysters. So this is new. Like I said, every grocery haul is different. Every grocery haul is going to be something different. Something different. If you haven't seen my my other grocery haul, I'm gonna put a link down there or right here. My last grocery haul, so you can see the similarities and the differences. So today I got some raw flakes. You know, oatmeal. Oats is not good for your stomach. Everybody can't digest oats. So a better alternative, an alkaline alternative, we got some raw flakes. So my first time seeing this, first time trying it. I'm definitely got interested on my take on it. Just comment down below. And follow us on Instagram at PeaceLoveVegan420. I'm gonna definitely post a picture of that and tell y'all guys what I think about it. So yeah, if you wanna know, follow us on Instagram at PeaceLoveVegan420, and you'll see. Next, we got some organic raw flour. In my previous video, I had a dark raw flour. This is a regular one. So one is obviously more healthier than the other. And the dark one. So next we got some tortilla chips. Again, they're grain-free, gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, and soy-free. Corn-free, especially. You don't want that corn in our diet. Got some butter lettuce. We got that organic whole rye bread for my alkaline people again. And then we got a little sometimes again in order, and I'm creating a transitional plan right now. But one of my tricks and one of my things about in my transitional plan is all about like cheat days. And Tina didn't know what I was talking about cheat days. She thought I was talking about going back to meat. But what I mean by cheat days, you know, sometimes it's good to treat yourself. Every once in a while, you know, have a little sandwich. You know, say it out loud. I'm vegan and I'm proud. You feel me? Just by just have a vegan ice cream sandwich every once in a while, you know. And usually like a milestone. Like on Monday, Tuesday, you eat healthy vegan. Maybe Wednesday, you'll have a little snack. And that's like it's kind of similar to, I forget the name of it. But it's, if you're into psychology, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But it's like when you're trying to create new habits and like the trigger effect for somebody. For instance, somebody might be nervous and when something happens, that'll trigger them to want to smoke a cigarette, whatever like that. So it's the act that caused them to want to smoke want to smoke a cigarette, and like subconsciously they'll just like, oh, let me smoke. So the same thing. I'm trying to subconsciously have you like basically train yourself to be a vegan. So every time, like I say, you eat something healthy, you automatically would go to like on your cheat days, something not unhealthy, not too unhealthy, but something sweet, and then you'll go right back to eating something healthy, and then right back to something sweet, and then right back to healthy. So it'll become like a habit, and then once it become a habit, then it'll be like embedded in your life. But if you do healthy all the time, some people give up because they feel as though they don't have no reward. It's all about like a reward system. So the cigarette will be a reward for them. Their feeling after smoking a cigarette would be their reward. So your reward would be eating something sweet, and then whatever triggers your dopamine, whatever triggers from eating something sweet will happen, and then they'll be like your reward. So that's one of my tricks and one of my things to help people transition to being vegan. It's all about that. I'm gonna have Tina. I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna have Tina write it in the description section. The exact psychologist that actually came up with the law or the rule, whatever you want to call it. Is this book that I got from Urban Outfitters on psychology. But let me get back into the grocery haul. Next, we got Beyond Meat, ground beef. Tina uses this for different things like making tacos out of it or shaping it into like your own burger. You can get more out of this. You can get more out of that than the actual ground beef, the crumbles. So if you ever want to use that for like tacos instead of getting the crumbles, just get this one right here. Next, we got some Simply Mills almond flour chocolate chip cookies. I just posted this the other day on my Instagram, saying how good these were, and like we got simple ingredients. Simply Mills, simple ingredients. Today the kids have some fries, so I got some organic fries from Whole Foods, no salt added. Add your own salt to it. We got some broccoli. All broccoli don't taste the same. I don't know if you ever had like frozen broccoli. Frozen fruits and vegetables aren't the healthiest, but it's a vegetable, so it's kind of healthy. But if you want to get the full nutrients out of your vegetables, it's best to get them fresh. But if I had to get frozen broccoli, I like 365, I like Whole Foods brand. You got filled roast buffalo wings. And I think I tried these one time. I don't remember how they taste, but buffalo wings. Baby bananas. You already know every video of baby bananas. Kids eat this with oatmeal. Put it in smoothies, of course. Oatmeal, different things. Snack on it. Tomato sauce. Earth Balance. Soy free. Most of the products I think every product here is soy free. We got the chickpea pasta. I showed this like 2 grocery hauls ago. The spaghetti, but we're trying the panini today. Next is we got some chickpea flour. Tortilla wraps. Tortilla. That's not the last thing. We got some provolone cheese by BioLife. I like this brand. You ever tried this brand yet? I mean, most people have, but if you ever try this brand, yeah, the cheese, please do. Especially if you're newly transitioning, I suggest that brand for taste-wise. You know, people always use that as excuse, like cheese or eggs, why they can't transition. To me, like I said, it's all an excuse. Love yourself more than you love food. That's the key. That's the key to transitioning, loving yourself. If you love something, you do whatever you have to do for it. For sacrifice things. Then we just got some avocado. Tina loves avocado. She be trying to get me to eat it. I eat it every once in a while, but that's her thing, avocado. We got a gala apple. Got a pear. I started eating pears again. One pear at a time, but I started eating pears again. Pears not, I don't know, pears don't get no love. You know, pears are actually good. They don't get no love though. People need to start eating more pears. Avocado again. More Mountain Valley water. Got some orange, peach, mango. I like this juice from Whole Foods. Try that. And I think last but not least, I think that's everything, yeah? Yeah. And the last thing I got was this, I'll tell y'all in the car. This is a complete guide of nutrition. You know, I read different books. Everything, everything in the world is opinionated. Everybody got their own opinion on how to eat healthy and things like that. So if I look at 100 things and 80 of those things seem like, are similar and seem like something that I agree with, that I want to share with people, then I'll go with that. But I don't just go with one source of information or two sources or three sources. I read and I just take in all the information that I can to share with you and just to learn to better myself and better our brain. So that's everything today. I appreciate everyone for watching this video. If you aren't following us, please follow us on YouTube. Please follow us on Instagram at PeaceLoveVegan420. You know, hit that subscription button. We have videos every week, different videos. We have mukbangs, grocery hauls, what I eat in the days, how-tos. Follow us, subscribe to us on YouTube. Like I was telling y'all earlier, I'm going to make a video on Instagram showing how these, giving my opinion on these. So if you want to know personally, please subscribe to us on please follow us on Instagram at PeaceLoveVegan420. Again, that's everything. Yep, that's everything. So I appreciate everyone for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and follow. Like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.